Hello and good evening, friends. So today is 31st March. It's almost 6:30 now, and I'm here for analyzing Elliott Nifty through Elliott waves. And let's begin. So here is the structure. Okay, on a daily time frame. This is wave one. This is wave two. Wave three. Wave four. Wave five. And now the real game begins. It is very complex now, as of now, and it's difficult for me to understand where market can go. So I whatever I have learned in Iliad wave, so I'm gonna discuss that, okay, in this particular video, and will try my best to decode and see what can happen. Now this entire video, like ever since I've started learning Iliad, very rare times I've had confusion. It is okay to be wrong, so I have been wrong. So today I'm confused. Through with the learnings I'm confused, and um, further in the video I'll explain what is the confusion, so that you'll understand. Both these confusions are very helpful, okay, but the only thing is that we'll have to wait for Monday so to happen, so that we will have a clear view on Nifty. So let's start the video. As I said, this is our first wave. First wave, as per earlier, the first wave has should have five sub waves. This is one, this is two, this is three, this is four, and this is five. So this makes our first wave. Then this is the second wave. Now, if we see, this is a very narrow retracement. If we go in an hourly time frame, we'll see a ABC structure over here. And this wave will have an ABC structure. So this is our second wave. This is our third. This is our fourth, and this is our fifth. So now going ahead, this is our A correction. This impulse, five wave impulse, is completed. So now we have to wait. Case one, we are considering, this is case one where we are considering the five wave impulse has completed and the correction has begun, where A wave is completed, B wave is also completed. Now we're waiting for a C wave. Now this A wave has five sub waves in it. If we go on to an hourly time frame, we'll see this A wave. This is the A wave over here. We can see that this A wave has five sub waves. Okay, this is first, this is the second, this is the third wave, this is the fourth wave, and this is the fifth wave. So at this point we can understand that, uh, at this we can understand this A wave, the correction of A wave, has five sub waves. Okay, this is clear. A wave has five sub waves. Then this B wave, we'll count this as, this is A wave, this is B, and this is C. Okay, so now this is a wave A has five sub waves in it. Wave B, this is the wave B. Wave B has wave B has ABC in it. Okay, wave B has ABC. So this is five. This is three. So what correction is it? If it is five three, and the next will be five, because it has to be a zigzag, because the zigzag correction is a simple correction which has five three five structure. Five in A, three in B, and then five sub waves in C. So can we say this as a zigzag correction, ABC zigzag correction, where A has five, B has three, and C will have five. So what if C has five? It can be like this. This is the first wave already completed. This can be a second, then the third, then the fourth, and then the fifth. Be somewhere. Okay. Let me change this. This is the third, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth. Okay. So I'm expecting Nifty to be somewhere around 21,200 to 21,150. So 21,150 to 21,200 is the range I'm expecting the C wave to terminate at. Okay, so this was five wave structure. Okay, of wave A. This is a three wave structure of wave B, and this can be a five wave structure of wave C. So I'm expecting this. Now we see here how, look at the momentum of wave 3. Wave 3 is always sharp, so we can expect wave 3 here to be sharp as well. Okay, this can be again a zigzag correction where 5 3 5 is possible. Now Wave in zigzag correction, usually the wave b does not goes above. It formulates wave c from between 61 or 78. 78 is the rare, but it has to turn around from 61.80 to form the wave c. Now in this case, not only it has crossed 61.8, but it has also crossed 78.6. Now this is a very rare situation where I've seen wave b of a zigzag crossing above 78.6 and 61.8. But the high, the initial of wave a, from where the wave a began, it is still protected, because wave a started from 22,526, and wave b high was 22,516. So there's still a 10-point difference. Okay, so this can be a rare case where B has retraced more than 78.6 to form a zigzag correction, where there's five waves in A, three waves in B, and again C will have a five wave. So this is one possibility. This is the one scenario, one case one, that we might see an ABC, which is a zigzag correction, and we might see Nifty in coming days between 22,150 to 21,200. This is case one. Now again, going to daily time frame. We'll hide this because we don't want this disturbance over there. So we'll just hide this as of now, and we'll go on a daily time frame. Oh, yeah. So we're going on a daily time frame over here. Okay. So here, what is the problem? Okay. So yeah. So we had our conclusion that this is ABC. C can go up till here. The second fact, also, see, if you see over here, now as we said, the wave two has to go. Like, if we go on to an hourly time frame again, hourly time frame. If we move to hourly time frame and see here, and we want wave two. If this is wave one, then wave two has to retrace wave one. So in the process of retracing wave one over here, I'm talking about hourly time frame. Wave one has, as of now, we can see the wave one is completed. What I see, wave one is completed. Wave two has to retrace. So in the process of wave two retracing in hourly time frame, I repeat myself again. In the process of wave two retracing, wave 2 retracing wave 1 on the hourly time frame, on daily time frame it will touch the RSI trend line, which makes more sense now. Okay, it will touch the hourly, uh, it was the daily trend line of RSI, and then it can reverse from there. So it is possible that we have formulated top of wave B, and then we'll start the five wave decline of wave C. So this was about scenario one. Now talking about second scenario, the second case is that this is the fourth wave, and the fifth wave is still to come. Now, in the first scenario, we said that this is the fifth wave stands complete here, but in the second scenario, what we can see here is that maybe this the fifth wave is not completed, and this is the leading diagonal. Okay, this is the diagonal formation over here. If you see, we'll mark it as well on the charts. Okay, now see why I'm saying that this can be a diagonal, because this is one, this is two, this is three, this is four, and this is five. Now this can be, if this is the scenario, then this has to be one, two, three, four, and five. Okay. Not too much waves, but I'll change the color so that you understand. So yeah, this can be a diagonal not have waves in it. Okay, this is the first wave. This is the second wave which has completed over here. Third, fourth, and fifth. So we can also say case two of, as I said in the beginning of the video, that it is confusing for me. It is confusing me what direction Nifty will go, and on Monday it will be clear. Okay, if it has to be case one, ABC correction, then it will, the today's or Friday's high has to be protected. It does not have to close above or trade above that high, so it has to trade below Friday's high. If it is trading below Friday's high and forming maybe a new high on a daily time, a new low, okay, breaking Friday's low, on Monday, if Nifty is breaking Friday's low, then we can consider, I mean Thursday's low. If Nifty is breaking Thursday's low on Monday, then we can consider correction, ABC correction, zigzag ABC correction is taking place. But if Nifty closes above 22,526, then we will consider that this is 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5 will begin, 4 of 5, and 5 of 5. Now again, if we are in 3 of 5, 3 of 5 is usually a very strong move. It is a very, very strong move. So it has to gap up on Monday. It has to gap up and close above, daily basis close should happen above 22,526. It should be a gap up. It should close above 22,526. Only then we'll consider this is a third of 5 in progression. Okay, so this is the diagonal. This is the diagonal in the first wave. 1 of 5, 2 of 5 has completed. If we see 2 of 5 has retraced 1 of 5 at 61.8. At 61.8 it has completed. Okay, so it has retraced at near about 61.8. So even this scenario is possible, that this is 1 of 5, this was 2 of 5, 3 of 5, maybe in progression. So Monday will be a deciding factor as per Elliott what formation is going to be next. Okay, now see, RSI daily time frame might cross over here. The trend line might get crossed. Then we'll consider this to be in an impulse of 5, 3 of 5 happening. If it goes touches, and if the trend line, RSI touches the trend line, goes below, it comes below Thursday's low, then we'll consider it to be in an ABC correction. So these are the two possible scenarios I have craved out over here. Oh my god, this is too much. So yeah. So what I'm going to stand with, I'm not going to stand with. I know, like Nifty, everything depends upon Monday's opening, but my stance on Nifty will be an ABC correction. Okay, my stance on Nifty will be an ABC correction itself. Even this can be an ending diagonal. This can be an ending diagonal. See, this can be an ending diagonal. So I, for me, I'm more on a bias that I will be happy to see. I don't have any position as such, but I'll be happy to see an ABC formation. Okay. Now this is the fifth. This is an ending diagonal. It was a leading diagonal of 1 of 5. Okay. Earlier, which we drew, it was an leading diagonal in 1 of 5, and this itself is an ending diagonal at the fifth wave. This is one. This is two. This is three. This is four, and this is 5. So this forms an ending diagonal over here. After the ending diagonal, there will be a correction. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So even that is being considered. This is 5, this is 3, this is 5 again, closing up till here. So I'm looking Nifty. Totally depends upon Monday's close, but as of now, if there's an update, I'll let you guys. I'll post it on. I'll let you guys know. I'll post it on Twitter. But as of now, I'm seeing Nifty within this week shall come near about 21,200 to form and complete the entire 8 wave structure. It will come near 21,800. If there's any alteration or any update, if there's any change of view, that will be decided on Monday. So that's it. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much.